So I am starting off by drying the hair with my blow dryer. For best results, I usually would let it air dry, but I didn't have that kind of time right now, so I am using my blow dryer for now. To tint my lace, I'm actually going in with my MAC Studio press powder in the color NW45. Now, alcohol on a wet wipe, because this is a reinstall. I need to get the leftover glue off of my forehead to make sure this install is nice, clean, and it actually sticks and it doesn't lift. So make sure you clean your forehead if you're doing a reinstall. Typically, I don't use adhesive glue. I use adhesive spray to keep my wig laid down, but I kind of want this install to last a little bit longer before it actually starts getting old and lifting, so I did go ahead and use glue. I'm trying to decide what style I actually want my install to be. So you'll see me brushing the hair out, making sure there's no tangles, kind of stalling time, just trying to figure out how I want to style this wig. As you can see, I decided on a half ponytail, half hair out in the back style, and so now I'm just taking out my edges and moving them out my way. Since this is going to be a slick ponytail in the front, it's better to slick the ponytail in sections. That's my wax stick. Get into it. For a hairspray, I'm also using my lace spray. Now I am drying the hairspray. And I will pretty much be doing the same thing throughout the entire top. Baby, when I tell you my arms started stinging and started burning, ooh, that ponytail getting laid though. It's getting laid though. Cleaning up my forehead a little bit more, getting that glue and that spray off of my forehead, making sure it looks nice and clean. Now yes, I'm plucking my edges, but first things first, I want you guys to know, I know you can see some of the tracks right here. Once I watched the video, I did fix that. So no worries there, I did end up fixing that little spot where you can see some of the black tracks. If your edges girly like me, please do not walk, run. Get you some of this invisible got to be glue gel for your edges. Do not walk, run. It makes a huge difference in how your edges turn out. And yes, that gel does dry. It doesn't leave your head oily at all. Do not walk, run. Thank you. Baby, this was coming out so cute. I almost wanted to leave it like this, but I figure I can't do that to y'all. I've seen some people use their shine spray after the style is done. I'm sorry, I use mine during. I have to. It works way better for me. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my... Yes, you guys, it was here. I already started feeling myself. I'm really liking this crimper. This is really my first time using this. It's not as deep and defined as I want it to be. So I actually need a different crimper, but I just finished this install. It's absolutely so cute, absolutely amazing. You guys, if you really want to up your installs, if you do your hair, if you're someone like me and you do your hair yourself, you're a baddie on a budget, so you really don't have the fun spend hundreds of dollars to have someone else do something you can literally do at home. You guys, it's all in the products that you use, I promise. You have to know exactly which products you need to use. I use this for my edges. Just, that's it. I only use this for my edges to slick my hair down. I use this to hold it in place. I use this to get the flyaways. But yeah, to make sure there's no little hairs sticking up, no little flyaways, I use that. So I use this first, and then I use this to hold everything in place. And this I use before I put the heat on it to make sure it's shiny. So yes, you guys, it's all about what you use. And I'm not gonna lie, I can do even better than this because I did minimal plucking. So I could do better, but I am absolutely happy with the way it turned out. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I use this. It's not a crimper. It gives more of a wavy look. I wanted a crimper, but it gives more of a wavy look. So I still need to invest in an actual crimper. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I'm going to change my shirt and take some pictures. But this is absolutely so cute. Like, what?